Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Sculptcurve Cellulite Refill Kit. So you should buy this kit or not, and what are the main problems, what are the major you can say like red flags. So in this video we will cover each and every information. So let's get started. So first of all I want to show you something, then you can make your own decision you should go with this product or not. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to show you something, like you can see Valley anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and Evogue anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and you can see Vanilla anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and Blissum glow fit anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and you can see Eloris anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and Milo cellulite massager, this is the same product, and you can see over here there is a website like anti-cellulite massager. So there are hundreds of websites available on internet who are selling same kind of product. You can see over there is a one more Lavuri anti-cellulite massager. So the basic thing I want to tell you, like this is not a unique product. Okay, this is looking like a dropshipping product, and when you purchase product there is no guarantee you will get exact results as they shown in the advertisement. Okay, so I want to inform you like you should not go, and otherwise you are going to face some issues related to return and refund. And we talk about like the problems, this is the biggest problem, the product quality and the reviews, and you can select the results. The results as they shown in the advertisement is not accurate, and maybe you will not get the same type of you can say results. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts. Your thoughts is very helpful for other peoples also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.